It's been a long, cold, lockdowny kind of winter for half the country, but the tide is turning. It's time to dust off the winter cobwebs and start off fresh out here in the workshop, so I think it's the perfect time for a workshop spring clean challenge. I want to see you sweeping. I want to see you polishing. I want to see you... Okay, no, that's not what it's about. The challenge is for you to make a video where you improve something around storage in your workshop. Maybe you build a cabinet that helps you store and manage router bits. Maybe you add drawers and shelves under your workbench. Maybe a rolling stand for one of your bigger tools. Maybe a nice wall-mounted tool cabinet so your wall doesn't look like this. Long story short, the challenge is just about improving something to do with storage in your workshop. There will be prizes. I'll announce what they are over the next couple of weeks. However, if you're interested in being a sponsor, just reach out to me, Instagram or YouTube, details down below. No judges or voting for this challenge. Instead, every video that you make gets you one entry into the prize raffle at the end. All the details you need are listed down below and the challenge starts now.